Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn the difference between left join and right join. We are going to learn what is the difference between their syntax, what is the difference between their definitions with the help of two examples. So as you can see here, we have two tables, table 1 and table 2. So what is a left join? Left join is a type of join which returns all the records which are present in the left table and all the matching records which are present in the right table. And this is right join. This is exact mirror image of left join. In this, that is in right join, it is a type of join which returns all the records which are present in the right table and all the matching values from the left table. So let's say if we have 10 rows in the table 2 and 7 rows in the table 1, we'll have in the output we'll have 10 rows from the table 2 and only 7 matching values from the table 1. So let's see this with an example. Here we have two tables. We have orders table and we have customers table. In orders table, we have some data related to the orders. That is, we have order ID, order date, etc. And in the customers table, we have information related to the customers. So let's start with left join. Let's see the syntax of the left join. What is a requirement? We want to have all the data from the orders table, but we want the name of the customer, which we'll get from the customers table. For some of the rows, we can see that we won't be having that information, that we won't be having name because the unique identifier here is 1 and 3 and here it's 1 and 3. We do not have any information related to 11, 25, 40, 88. So we'll not get the name from customers table. Let's see this with code and what will be the output of that. So we'll write something like select orders dot star comma customers dot customer name from orders left join customers on orders dot customer id is equal to customers dot customer ID. Here customer ID is the primary key or the unique identifier with which we are matching both the tables. So this is the syntax for left join. And what will be the result of this? We'll get everything from this table and all the matching values from the right table. So what will be the output? The output will look something like this. Will have everything from this table and will have extra customer name from the right table. And the matching values are 1 and for 1 and 3, the name is Ethan and for 11, 25, 40, 88 will have null values because nothing is matching for these values. Okay, so this will be the result of our this code, that is our left join. Well, we have everything from the left table and all the matching values from the right table. So let's see what will be the result, what will be the syntax for right join. So right join will have, give me a minute. This will be right join and this was left join, right? So for right join, we want to have everything from customers table, but we want to have order ID for all the customer IDs which are present. For 1, 2, 3, we want order IDs. If the order ID is not present, then it's fine. But if it's there, then we want to have that value. So the code will look something like, we want everything from customers table. So for that, we'll write select customers dot star comma, we want order ID from orders. So orders dot order ID from orders, right join customers on orders dot customer ID is equal to customers dot customer ID. This will be the code for right join. So what will be the output? We'll have everything from the right table. That is, we'll get this, we'll have everything from the right table, and we will have order ID from the left table. So we'll have another column here, which is order ID. So we can see that for 1, 2, and 3, right? But we have values for 1 and 3 only here. We do not have 2. So for 1 and 3, the order ID is 10301 and 10309. So for 2, the value will be null. Why? Because the value, this customer ID is not matching in the left table. So as per the definition, if you remember that in the right join, we'll have everything from the right table and all the matching values from the left table. If the value will not be present, it will be a null value. Okay. So both are complete mirror image of each other. We can use it as per our need. That is, if we want to use left join or right join. To learn more about left join, you can check out my previous video on left join. I have uh, explained it in brief in the previous video. Please do check it out. And thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.